And I love those cat mugs. Minasan, konnichiwa, sukushi-toke, yokoso. Today we are at Doguyasuji in Osaka, and since Osaka is known as Japan's kitchen, it's only natural they'll have one of the best places to shop for kitchen utensils. So in a way, this is Osaka's version of Kappabashi, and I am so excited to check it out. This shopping street is 150 meters long, and so that means you are spoilt for choice. Anyway, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get into it. So we found a food model shop, and these are probably my newest obsession in Japan. I love these so much. So let's go inside and have a look. These are really cute. I cannot believe how real everything looks. This parfait, I want to eat it. Like, it looks so real. I want to just eat it. I think this would be a pretty good souvenir for someone. I would love to give it to someone and act like it's real. Wow, the detail is amazing. Sushi. They have every type of sushi here, I'm sure. So they have loads of chef uniforms, which is really cool. They have like every different style imaginable. This is so beautiful. It looks so much more expensive than what it is, right? Like, I feel like this should be so expensive, but that's a really good price. Wow. So many of these shutters have cat murals on them, and they're so cute. I love them. Takoyaki, taiyaki. Wow. So I guess this is where restaurants buy their lights. This is so cool. This video is sponsored by Notion. Notion is an application that allows you to track your projects and schedules, and it helps you to be super organized and efficient. You can use Notion to track things in your personal life and your professional life. So it's very versatile, and you'll have no problems being organized once you start using it. So once you open Notion, you are greeted with your homepage that you can actually customize. So let me just show you mine. If you select personal home, it will take you straight to your own page. And you can see here that I have a wonderful piece of artwork as my banner. Then if you scroll down, you can see movie lists, recipes, yearly goals, and travel plans. So this is just what's on my homepage, but what I really love using Notion for is to track the books that I want to read. I love reading, as some of you may know, and this is the perfect way to make sure I can easily see what books I need to buy. So if I go to my homepage, click reading list, and then click my own personalized note that I've left. It's called TBR, meaning to be read. And you can see here, I have a list of only 2 books so far, but I can easily add to it, and it saves automatically. So once you've typed something out, you don't need to worry about pressing any save button because it's automatically saved for you. So you can literally do anything with Notion, and there are so many different layouts and different lists you can make just on one app, as opposed to using your notes app for one thing and another app for your calendar. You can do everything on Notion, so it's super convenient. Since it's the end of December, it's the perfect time to start organizing your schedule and the things you want to achieve for the new year, because that's exactly what I'll be using Notion for. If you're interested in downloading Notion, please check our description box below. I really love all of these bowls and plates, but my favorite thing are those cat mugs over there, because the handle is their arms and they're really cute. Also, another thing I've noticed is the shops here are much bigger than the ones in Kappabashi. I feel like Kappabashi has a lot of shops, but they're much closer together, and so they're smaller, whereas here they're far more spacious. So if you want to shop for kitchen utensils, this is a really nice place to go because it's very spacious and very peaceful. And I love those cat mugs. You can tell we're in Osaka because they have so much stuff to make takoyaki with, and these ones are really big. And I think this one here might be for oyaki. Amazing. I think Osaka has really good side streets, because for the entire time I've been here, I keep going down these side streets because they look so beautiful. I just can't help myself. And they are stunning. They are so peaceful, which is really crazy because if you think how busy the main streets are, it's hard to believe that these side streets can be so peaceful. And also they have some fantastic izakayas and restaurants down here as well, which you could easily miss if you didn't check the side streets. But I love it. It's like really peaceful. It's got a great atmosphere down here, and I can imagine at night it probably really comes alive. So here we have a jizo, and it's kind of like a shrine but much smaller, and this one is here to basically promote good business to the area, and it is beautiful, and it's so small and cute and well looked after. It looks brand new, but it's probably been here for years, and it's really beautiful, and I absolutely love finding things like this in Japan. So I had no idea where restaurants got these from, but now I've seen so many of them today, I figure they must buy them here, but I don't know how they then get their designs put on them. But I really love these. I think they're really cool, and I'm wondering if it would be weird if I had one in my apartment. Is that too much? Probably, but I really like them because you can have them be really bright with loads of different colors on, or you can have them like these ones here, which are quite simple, and then obviously you would just put your design on them. I think they're so cool. Oh, look at this one. It's like wooden. He's actually really cute. Oh, it's tuna. It's tuna. I really love these as well. In fact, I think these are my favorite. So this one is for sushi and this one is for yakiniku. I think they're so beautiful. I love lanterns so much, and it's something that we don't see a lot of in the UK at all. So it's one of those things that is special to Japan that I absolutely love. There's a lot of aprons here as well. So if you like wearing aprons whilst you cook, you're spoilt for choice here. I think my favorite one that I've seen so far is a crayon Shin-chan. It's really cute. But yeah, they have more plain ones as well, but I like the crayon Shin-chan one. I love it so much. It's so cute. So we just went to a store called Tokuzor Knives, and they had a crazy amount of knives in there, and their main office is in Kochi. So as well as having this store here in Osaka, they also have a branch in Kappabashi in Tokyo. So if you want to check them out, I really recommend it. The assistant who was working in the store was super helpful and more than happy to tell us about all the different knives there. And they were absolutely beautiful, so I really recommend you check them out. My favorite one was probably the knife with the green handle, just because I'd never really seen anything like that before. And also there was another one that had a slight blue tint on the blade. Honestly, they were some of the most beautiful knives I'd ever seen in my life. And yeah, I really recommend having a look. I had a really great time here in Doguyasuji. I really recommend you come and visit here. Like I said a bit earlier, it's slightly more peaceful than Kappabashi. Kappabashi can get really busy and crazy, and this is kind of a calmer version of that. So I definitely recommend coming here if you love kitchen utensils, or if you love cooking, or if you just like looking at attractive looking plates and bowls and knives, because I really enjoyed that. They were so beautiful. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what your favorite thing is to cook at home in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.